Hey yo, what's up guys? My audio is fine. Yeah. Just streaming for probably about an hour or so. I don't know how long I'll stream for. Maybe longer than that, I don't know. Depending on if I get in the zone or not. But thought I would stream since I'm gonna be doing some work on a web scraper in Go. And I've never actually used Go like applicably, if that's even a word it is. I think I've been only using Go for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now. And like the first week, I was just learning about Go. I haven't actually written anything until now, so I'm going to be building a web scraper in basically a new language to me. So should be interesting, should be fun. Um, yeah. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So we got. I should show you if I can pull this over. If it'll let me. I don't think it'll let me. So window over. Yeah, we're good. I don't know. I feel I want to move this over here. Okay, so basically, what I'm currently in the process of building, this is like not the whole project, but this is like just me preliminary. I can't talk. Planning. Um, what I'm building, right? So it's almost like just I'm kind of building I don't want to say the back end. It's more the base, if you will, of just I just need the data, right? Basically what I'm doing, I want to make my own like infrastructure for scraping data, right, from the internet. Because the whole backbone of what I'm trying to do is I'm going to create a site that just tracks prices, right? And to start off, it's going to be book data. Um, when I say book data, really I just mean like book prices, but also like everything involved in books. I really like books. I like reading. Huge SFF reader, science fiction and fantasy. And I've always wanted an app, and I got really inspired by this person here. Really inspired by this website, Deku Deals, which is pretty dope. Basically, like he just has. You could go search for a game or something, and it'll just show you like price history and stuff like this. So, like this, I think is this fairly new? No, this came out in 2024. It looks like. But here you can see like it has like price history, all time lows. So they had an all time low of 1497 and an all time low of 1993 for digital and that for physical. But you can see like just historically you can see data. Only thing I don't like about this site is this. I hate how their graphs can be better, but that's besides the point. I just really like this website. I use it a lot. I don't really play games a lot anymore, but when I did, I use this site all the time to get like Nintendo games, look at prices and stuff like that, see what sales were what, and all that kind of good stuff. And recently they added new platforms, which is cool too. So, but yeah, so I got inspired by that. But I was like, man, this would be so dope if I could just have something like this just for books. But books is like a whole different beast because it's like millions upon millions of different books. So it's going to be a lot of data. That's a lot of data, and I'm not too crazy experienced in like production grade software. So like this would be my first like serious project that could potentially be like a thing, right? So just taking my time, using Go because I want to. Honestly, I could just use Python, but I'm just so tired of writing in Python. So it's just something fun to do. Um, so yeah, just something fun to do. But that's just kind of what I got planned now. So I'm really like at the bottom, just building a foundation out, which is the crawlers, and I named it take it to got my own username. I call it lectures, something like that. Yeah, that's it right there at the top. Hold on 1 second. Oh wait, switch this over. All right. All right. So yeah. So this is right here. That's it. But yeah, so this is right here is where it'll be at. I don't have anything in there right now. I literally just made this yesterday, so let's go to Poly Docs, and let's also open up Go documentation. Software, I guess maybe user manual. That's where we just were. I don't know, we'll see right here. Don't really need that right now. Go column. Maybe it's this. That's not it, I guess. Yes. This is it. I could have sworn they had oh wait. I think this no, it's sponsors. This is it right here. What's data says? The currencies, list of all shared courses. Yeah, I think this is all right. So I was doing this last night, so that was almost 24 hours ago. Basically this just structs all different kinds of data that I might want. I'm trying to figure out where I left off. I think I was on this. I was looking into proxies. Rotate to software proxies. Yeah, that's what we're looking into. So really, in terms, I was thinking about honestly moving both of these files into one thing, and then just exporting it. instead of separating them, but I don't know. Cause like Collier, like this is before I looked at the docs, and they made it pretty easy to do proxy switching and user agent stuff. Another question I have is about JavaScript rendering. Go Kali JavaScript rendering. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes you search the docs and then it's just not. Can't Kali handle JavaScript website scraping. Maybe I can't search the docs and find out. They don't have a search doc. Let's see if something comes up for JavaScript. No, that's why. Oh, I see how it works. It's literally just their docs. Oh, I don't want to go through that. I looked at extensions. There's not any extensions. Oh. I just want to. Let's just see what it's kind of my question. So Kali is popular. Yep. This is a question. So since Kali, how old is this? I don't know how to see the date in a duck. It doesn't say. I don't know how to get the date. I guess we could do. I don't know. We'll see. This doesn't have a date on it either. But for JavaScript heavy websites, the content you may want to scrape may not be present initially in the source. Generate client side, exactly. To scrape JavaScript heavy websites with Kali, you would typically need to combine it with another tool that can render JavaScript. One common approach is to use a headless browser like Chromium with a tool like Puppeteer, or Selenium with a WebDriver for Chrome or Firefox. These tools can control the browser programmatically, allowing you to load and interact with pages as a user would, including executing JavaScript. Here's a conceptual overview. You might use Kali in combination with a headless browser to scrape JavaScript from your website. Retrieve information from the headless browser. As an example, note that this is a conceptual example and not a working implementation. Alright. Context. What do they use for it? They use Chrome DP. Never heard of that one. So they just did Chrome DP.new context. And they run a context in the background, I'm guessing, of that headless browser. And defer, cancel, navigate to the page and wait for the selector to indicate JavaScript content is loaded. Oh, what's the point in creating a new collector? Oh, I see. It's a context. Okay, so this is just a headless browser. But then Kali just gets called here. On HTML, on an item. Call the fallback function. So I'm guessing because I don't know how I wonder what new context means exactly, right? Is this from Chrome DP? Maybe I should go read the docs. It's like I see they're creating a new collector and then they're doing C on HTML, but how does it have access to? You pass through a Kali HTML element. Um, context rendered HTML. So I don't know. So we'll see. Let's look up what was it called? Chrome DP Golang. This is from 2 years ago. Oh, I don't think it's still maintaining it, I guess. I really want to see an example. Oh, it's without external dependencies. Context for a new server. Writing this HTML. He's just doing. Hmm. Okay, so that Chrome DP was the context exactly for that. They defer to cancel. You know what? I mean, it's good to know about this, but I'm thinking about it. I don't think I'm gonna use this. I mean, it's a potential solution if the solution that I have doesn't work, but I remember this now. My first time hearing about this. No external dependencies. What I really like about it. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll use it, maybe we won't. For right now, honestly, I might just put both of these in one file. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. So, what should I name it? I don't know, or maybe I'll keep it in different files. Who knows? Maybe I'll add to it. I don't know. This is a proxy switcher. What else was I don't think it was anything else. Alright, this is instantiating the queue or whatever. See on requests. Just the queue. I see. I mean, what's the point of doing it? I thought, well, I guess number of consumer threads. So it runs it on different threads, man. I wonder how this works under the hood. Cause what do they mean by queue? Right. So I wonder how that's going. Because let's say you just get like websites, or maybe not. Thinking about if I want to make a website type, which I think that I am. If I do that, I feel like should can't spell website. So I don't know if it would be multiple user params or not. Returns a string, all sites. specifically for that. Didn't I write? I thought I wrote, or I might have put it over here. No. Yeah, I'm moving this out. Sorry, get it. Oops. Oh, that's why I changed the value. Well, not the value, I changed the type. I don't know, it's not using it now, but we will be using it. Okay. They have something for login too. I mean, we won't need this, but pretty cool. They have everything. Well, not everything, but mostly everything that you need. To get them started again. I don't think the getting started was helpful. Basic was what was helpful. Let's see what site is she first. Oh yeah, and another thing, right? I was like, how do you go about scraping something that you don't know exists yet, right? So like, how to search for specific things within a domain. I don't think that captures really the question that I have. It's in Python, but yeah, that's not what I'm thinking. I'm thinking along the lines of like looking for things that I don't even know to look for, which, you know, I don't know. Yeah, we know what it is. Extracting pricing, right? Monitoring your brand, yada yada yada. I think he really keeps it surface level. I don't care about different packages. Regular expression, yeah. You know what? I'll probably want links. I hold on, let's go to Excalibur. I actually been liking this lately. How you spell it? Excal. It's like Excalibur, right? I think it's Excalibur or something like that. There we go. So basically, you have like like one site, right? I want to move it. You get the gist of it. Why? Let me move it. Oh, okay. Site. Right, HTML, and then if we hit an anchor tag, which anchor tag points to more pages, right? So then as a result of hitting the anchor tags, you branch off to other pages, right? So you'll branch off to other pages. Come on, bro. This is literally just to help me think about this. Plus it's late, so it's like, okay, so like you hit the anchor tag, and I'm thinking about this from a book domain, right? Because I don't want to just hit an anchor tag and then go to like some dumb website that I don't care about. I only like, what's that site? What's that manga site called? This is very risky to type. Manga site. Not Viz. What's the name of that site? They got bought out by, what's the name? Good manga main sites. Reddit. Because I know it'll be on Reddit. I forgot the name of that site. They got bought out recently. Oh, not recently, but it was like last year, year and a half ago. What was it called? It was very popular. Discount. Right Stuff. That's what it was. Right Stuff. We'll keep that open because I want to look at those. Wait, Right Stuff is gone? Oh, they completely got rid of it? What? I did not know that. Just threw it away, dude. Kept the domain though. Okay, so Crunchyroll bought them out and they moved all their shit over here. Manga and books, right? So if I just wanted to go to manga and books, see the endpoint, right? So okay, let's get more tools, web dev tools. Yeah. So it's just oh wait, it's because I'm in accessibility. Spectre. Alright, sorry, so we get to a body. This is just what will be up, right? Let's actually go ahead and move this over. We don't need this here, no. So we need a full page. So we get in here, customer info, identify event, yeah, Google tag stuff. This is the Flex container. What's in there? Site header. Yes, this is literally just like the main web page. Updated redirect URL on region selector. API true. Not tracking consent. Tracking consent. Okay. Let's actually look at what this is. Let me pull it down. There we go. So let's say we want to look at solo leveling. What? Expect this. They're each in their own div, which is interesting because they're all in a product class. That makes it extremely easy. Damn, they have everything just here. They have the manga price. Do they have original price as well? Okay, so it's just category manga, category ID manga, price is 1039. So they have the sell price, but they don't have the original price. You dope that the original price. And you know what? I'm wondering what I should add. Item ID, item name. You have the SKU, but not the full SKU though. It's a click event, isn't it? Oh, it's just for the div though. It's probably the image. Yeah, it is. Right, so like here we have an anchor tag, which will take us to this href. So it'll be slash products, and it looks like, is that the ID? Manga volume 5 item list name. No, it's not the exact same, but it might be. It's item name, item ID. Let's look. So image, turn it, item problem, lazy. So it's not by ID. They just. I wonder where is this? Oh, actually, it's a combination of the item name. No, it's basically just the item name, but here is VOL ... So I wonder, we'll see. What is in this? Yeah. Probably the PP link, huh? Let me take you to the href. This actually wouldn't be too bad. I do want to have manga on the site, but my thing is making it to where it's not. It's like extensive, like what's the word I'm looking for? It is extendable, if that makes sense. I wanted to make sure it's extendable. So like if I just give it a site, right? I'm assuming it's pagination, right? Ooh, or maybe it's not. No, it is. It's like everyone is a list. This is for left arrow. So would you even want to hit that href on demand size control? This just shows current page. Where's recommendations at though? Oh, it's at the bottom. I can't see it because I guess it's supposed to be something. And then it just gets to the bottom and say, okay, I think I kind of understand now how it could possibly work. Where did I do with the documentation? So let's just use their little snippet. We don't really care about allow domains, so we're passing that through later, so we don't really care about that. C.on HTML, so basically it'll parse through the HTML and it'll get that tree, right? That's honestly exactly what we want to do. And want to get that href, and then they're saying they do a callback function. So once it finds the href on every element, the href will do callback. And it says only those links are visited which are in allowed domains. Okay. So it's literally just typing this out so I can also get used to the syntax. So call it HTML element. HTML element with a link, which is the attribute. So the attribute tag, which is href. For now, we're not gonna do that until I get logging set up. E.request dot absolute URL Let me give it the link that it found in the href. What did it just get rid of? Oh, I'm not get rid of it. But anyway, a link. Okay, so basically you make a new you make not context, but you make a new collector, and this collector is basically like a crawler, right? Then you set up the configuration for that specific collector, right? So you can have it, you can basically give it logic slash like an algorithmic thing to do once it visits those sites, and then you can just see.visit. So theoretically, you could have multiple collectors doing different things at the same time, right? Especially with like Go, like routines and stuff like that. So that's interesting too. I think what I want to do, right? Just like honestly, I guess we'll start with Crunchyroll as an example. Is you can do different things. So like here, I want to see current price. I want to expect that. Where did this come from? There's a span for sales. Oh, they have a span.sales. 2160. Now, where is this at though? That has to be somewhere. That's value, span.class value. So like that would be so specific to this site though. They literally just have a div with a class called price. So it's a promotion. I genuinely don't care about the promotions though. Let's inspect this. Could I do multiple on HTML things? Right. Or could I put it in the same function? No, you probably want to do multiple, right? So do another dot on a HTML and then do what I'm guessing the same thing, right? I'm not familiar with and just do a div dot class. I'm guessing, because I have no clue. And just give it the same thing. Yeah. I don't know what string has. Probably nothing that I need. They have like has, prefix, cut, map, join, clone, index, split, title, compare. To lower. Saying what functions strings has because I'm not even sure. Split after. I got a lot of good stuff. To lower builder, string builder. Okay, yeah. I was just looking. I don't need to do this yet. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. If I just do it, class name is. I almost did some stuff in Python. It's not really an error. Trying for what error? I don't know how errors dot. I look into error handling. I don't know what you're supposed to return. Because in this case, it's a callback function. So would you even want to return anything? I just don't want it to do anything. If it doesn't. So I should just return nil. I don't know. For right now, we'll just return nothing. Too many values. I guess you don't do anything. We're just not going to do anything. We'll just do this. If class name equals price. No clue where I put it in. I want to set this up before. Do I even have a new tab? That's really not what we want to do then. Every time we hit a new product div, this is what we want to hit actually. Yeah, it doesn't. If I don't use it, I could turn it off, but I don't want to. Right, so change it to product. So then once you hit product, I want to instantiate a new book to the stack. So probably just do, right, just keep it dead simple. Just want to see if this is going to work. You just make something, just call it like just make it a, I don't know, like bookshelf or some shit, something like that, and make it a list, slice, whatever the hell you call it, data dot. Yeah, that's my module. Oh, you know what? I don't have to do that. I can just say, shouldn't I just be able to say that? No, it's because I'm slow. There we go. Oops. I don't know if I like that name, data book. It's not what we want actually. Man, thinking in Go is weird. This is declared and not used. It's not an expression. What does it mean by that? Alright, maybe I'm messing up. I have no clue. Creating slice of custom struct. I have no clue. Cause like I'm thinking in Python and my brain cannot. Exactly. Oh, you know what I'm doing wrong? Yeah, I was thinking right the first time. I just want to do an empty. So I just keep it as type, right? type makes. No, I would just keep it as this, right? I don't think so. I think you just keep it like this. But it's telling me I can't do that. Declare to not use. Type is not an expression. What does that mean by data type is not an expression? Oh, do I have to do that? Yeah, that's exactly what it was. Okay, so you have to do the brackets to instantiate it. Okay, okay, I got you. I was like, wait, what? I don't understand how that works. So you need the brackets after. So basically, I'm making a bookshelf. But right now, since we're only doing one site, I think it's fine. But it'll basically make a bookshelf for that particular site. And then product, you'll do bookshelf. What's the append function? Function slices. What's append do? Okay, so you could just append to the thing. Let's look at strokes. Where are strokes at? Allocation, constructors, initialization. Maybe I'm missing it. Stop turning button. Stroke is like type though. I see. So it's just an interface to this function. So wouldn't it just be like, so then you would do handler dot serve HTTP? So control counter, then control dot n plus plus. See, yeah, that is. So okay, so interfaces are literally just, you just hide it behind something else, basically. Well, not hiding it, but literally just interface. So you make a new counter struct. Okay, that makes sense. So obviously we do like pointer to a new bookshelf. So I could do like new data. Oh yeah, it assigns it. You could do b dot. That's it. How does that work? So like if I did like book was data dot book dot. Clearly I don't know what I'm doing. I see the allocation with new, I understand that. Oh well, I'm having such a weird time with this. Because I'm not thinking the way that this is meant to be written. You can't search. There, you have to do that. I see. All right. See, I'm not tripping. Right? And the employee struct, and then you would do dot first name dot last name. All right, I understand that. All right. So in this case, I don't understand how it's not right. So like book. Honestly, I don't even know what's in there. If I do, this is honestly just me learning stream. I don't I haven't wrote anything. Import, and that shit the packages. You can alias it, but no. Yeah, are you supposed to import the, not import, are you supposed to commit that? Go to mod and go, look like you are. Okay. Okay, how am I denying myself? Deny, da 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 da. Get. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's because. This don't take too. I'm starting to get insanely sleepy now. Honestly, I think I might call it. I think I'm about to go to sleep, so I get up early in the morning. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Has been an extreme learning stream. Didn't write about 5 lines of code at all. So, I mean, you got to start somewhere. So, hopefully, we get more comfortable with Go and we can start doing more cool stuff. But, yeah, until next time, this has been Wayne's Corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.